Hello, it's Mother Eagle here. So today I read for you hand in hand. Hand in hand, we've journeyed, surrendering our fleshly nature to paths unknown. Hand in hand, we've traveled, staying true to the unfolding paths, leaning on invisible prompts, hits of intuition we embraced, leaning boldly into the divine plan until surrender was all we could do. And then light showed up, shining through to the inner gates of our heart's chamber. Hand in hand, we anchored the love in faith and in surrender. Hand in hand, we will journey through eternity. This poem was inspired by the journey of love. I've come to believe that love just doesn't start here. Many of our soul tribe or soul monad are people we've lived with before in generations past, in lifetimes past. I guess sometimes lives repeats themselves. Yeah, I'm trying to think here multidimensionally in a way of expansion because our lives are not just here on earth. I think if we start thinking in terms of everlasting life, you can see how this life becomes a blip on the screen because we shall move on to bigger and better things, more interesting things, and maybe some of you will recycle around and come back. Who knows? But for now, hand in hand, we've journeyed, meaning we are journeying this life together. As always, this is Keroy, just thinking out loud.